Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you about a Python jobs opportunity. When you learn Python or any field, after completion of that field, you need job to earn money. So same like this, Python is a wide field and have a most scope and famous one programming language in the world. So there are many jobs opportunity related to Python, but you need to learn Python first with your practice. Many practice after practice you can join any company, any software house, or as internship or job base if you have some ability to work with Python. So first condition is that you have to learn Python. After learning Python, you have to practice with your uh, with your own coding. You have to write code with your hand. Some practice. After practice, you can join any company as internship or job is. Zero to hero, you have to work with Python, and at the end, you will become expert in the Python. After Python, there are many things you have to learn. I will share with you at the end of the course. So in this lecture, purpose is that I will share some jobs opportunity on the internet. I will share with you about a online or remotely and physical jobs for Python. There are many jobs that may be online at sitting at your home. You can work with Python. That is a online or remotely job. And physical job, you have to go to office to work with Python project. That is also a physical job. So there are many jobs related to remotely or physical jobs opportunity for a Python developer. There are two categories: basics, senior Python jobs, or and junior Python jobs, and also you will find intermediate Python developer jobs also. So in this lecture I will show many jobs opportunity in the browser. So let's go to see what are the jobs opportunity about a Python. So this is a website indeed.com. You know that this one is a famous one website to find any type of jobs on this platform. You know that this is a Python developer job. This job you can find any other keyword you can write here, and where you have to write some I think you have to put some location, city, state, anything else in that location. If you want to jobs in that area, in that geographical area, you can find. So you can see that right now this one is a one job, junior Python developer. 3 days ago it is posted, and you can also notice its estimated earning per year 88.1k dollar to 112k year dollar. So can you see that it is a very big amount. So this one is a for junior Python developer. Condition is that you have to learn first Python, practice, internship, then you can join any small company. From small company you can grow to expert. So you cannot directly work, you cannot apply an Python job as a senior developer. You have to work from zero to hero. So another is you can also second job Python developer. You can also analyze its per yearly its salary, about salary earning. 30 plus day ago it is posted, and you can also this job 2 day ago it is posted. You can also analyze its yearly estimated earning. Entry level Python developer, you can also find entry level Python developer. So Python developer, another job, estimated earning, you can see here 27 day ago it is posted. And it is also Python developer job, 1 day ago it is posted. And another is one UTC Python Django developer, means you want to create website in the Python. You have to learn some libraries or some framework of the Python. One of them is a Django. I will create a course on Django, and you will be able to create website or web application using Python, using its framework like Django. 4 days ago it is posted. You can explore this job to learn more about this job and its requirement. Anything else you can learn. So another is a Python developer, and its estimated earning 8 years ago it is posted. So another is a junior Python developer, software developer in the Python. So many jobs are placed about a Python. You can see that 1 to 3. You can go another page also. So purpose is that there are many jobs are existing on the world. There may be online or physical jobs exist. You can work. So purpose is that you have to first of all learn Python. After learning, you have to make practice, make a strong practice in your Python, attempting assignment task, little simple intermediate task, complex task. Then you have to work with small organizations, small company. Then you have to improve your company. So in this way, you can get job. There may be it depend upon your ability, capability. If you have more able to work with programming language, then you can also apply for these jobs. If you have more knowledge after Python, because there are many things, many libraries you have to learn after core Python. I will share at the end of the course what are the most important libraries you have to learn after this course. So another website is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of them website which share some jobs, also social network also. Entry level software engineer. I don't know. This is about Python. I think it will be about a Python when you explore this one. Python software engineer, entry level software engineer. When you explore this job, you find this is about a Python. So you can find many jobs like this one is a Python developer, and Python developer. You can find many jobs related to Python developer remotely, Python developer on the base of United States. 5 hours ago it is posted, 9 hours. So many jobs you can search. So uh, first of all, I am again telling you you have to learn. Purpose of this video is that to show about its scope on the world. So another is a python.org is the official website of the Python, and in that official website you can also see jobs related to Python. You can see that senior full stack developer Python, and senior data engineer. These are jobs related to Python also, like a full stack Python developer, senior backend Django developer. It means it is related to web development. So you can also check more jobs on this website also. Another is a glassdoor.com website. You can also check here entry level Python developer, Python software engine teaching assistant. Means you can online teach also if you learn Python. So many jobs you can check: Python developer, junior Python developer. Remote opportunity means it will be a online based. You can sit in your home and work with your job online, remotely based. Python engineer. So many jobs you can see here. So another is a Zip Recruiter website. You can find many jobs: entry level Python developer, entry level junior AWS Python developer. So you can check and pay also. You can check this is a full-time job, 55 hourly base. It is very big amount if you know. So these are the jobs related to Python. I share many jobs from different website. You can get information. So we go to people slide, and I share what you have to do next and what topic I will discuss with you. So take interest in learning Python. So you know that I discussed with you about a remotely and physical jobs with you on the internet. So another jobs you can also find. You can also work like a Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. You can find many jobs Python related on the Upwork, on the Freelancer, and you can also in this platform give your own service, and then your service will be sold on this platform. This is very beneficial, and this platform is a for beginners level. After attempting this, you can go to Upwork, Freelancer also. So this lecture is all about jobs opportunities about a Python. So I go to browser and I show you how you can check Fiverr jobs Upwork, Freelancer. This is a website. You can see that freelancer.pk. This website is a freelancing platform. You can find jobs related to Python. You can see that this is a someone telling about something else to develop. You can apply for this job. So many jobs. You can see that this one is about also. I am looking for expert who can develop a protocol. So you have to read this one. So it will be related to Python, but there are many jobs that will be simple, intermediate, and complex. You have to find according to your knowledge. I need Python developer. You can see that. So these are different jobs you can check according to your knowledge, according to your level. You can apply. So another is a upwork.com. You can see that when you search on this one any target or any other field, you can find jobs related to that keyword. So you can see that 11,983 jobs are found related to Python. So you can see that Python developer, you can read about this job description. If you know this is a easy, you can apply for that job. So there are many jobs. You can see that complex, intermediate, simple jobs are existing here. So these are different jobs. So another one is a Fiverr.com. In this platform you can create your account, and then you provide your service according to your knowledge, according to your level. Then you will sell your service. Your another buyer will purchase your service. So purpose of this video lecture is that I share some jobs opportunity, because you did not need to disappointment to learning Python. After learning, there are many facility or many opportunities you can work to earn money after learning Python.